Miss English Journey.
Stop! Don't introduce yourself the boring way ever again. Today, we'll show you how to introduce yourself in English, naturally, confidently, and like a real English speaker. And trust me, by the end of this episode, your introductions will sound amazing.
Oh yes, no more, my name is, I come from, Today we fix that. Let's make your English shine.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss English Journey, where learning English is easy, simple, and always fun. I'm Rebecca, so happy to be here with you.
And I'm James. Hello, Rebecca. Hello, everyone. It's great to be with you all. How are you today, Rebecca?
I'm great, James. Honestly, I'm very happy for another episode. I love these conversations.
Me too. I'm feeling fantastic, ready for another fun conversation that helps our listeners speak better English.
And before we start, thank you so much for listening to us.
Yes, and please, if you enjoy our channel, remember to subscribe and click the like button. It helps a lot.
Exactly. And share this episode with your friends who are learning English. So, James, what is our topic today?
Today, we talk about something every beginner needs: how to introduce yourself in English, naturally and with confidence.
Oh, perfect. Let's begin. Okay, James, picture this. You walk into a new English class. Everyone is looking at you. The teacher smiles at you. And then, boom, they say, "Please introduce yourself." What do you do?
Oh wow, that moment always makes my heart race a bit. My hands get a little shaky and my voice goes like, clears throat, jokingly.
I know exactly what you mean. It's like your brain forgets your own name for a second.
Yes. So today, we want to help our listeners feel prepared, calm, and confident.
Exactly. And we're going to show you real introductions you can use anywhere. Class, work, online meetings, even meeting new friends.
Hi, I'm James. I'm from London, but I live in Paris now. I'm 29 years old. I work as an English teacher, and I love music and hiking. Nice to meet you.
That was perfect, James. Simple, clean, friendly, and the pace was great for beginners.
Thank you, thank you. I practiced in the mirror.
Of course you did. But honestly, that introduction has everything you need.
And remember, listeners, you don't need to sound perfect. You just need to be clear.
Sorry, it's been a long day. But see, even native speakers sound tired sometimes.
And that makes it even more real.
Okay, here's mine. Hello, I'm Rebecca. I'm from Canada, but I've been living in Spain for 2 years. I'm a content creator, and I love helping people learn English. I enjoy cooking, traveling, and taking long evening walks. Nice to meet you.
That was beautiful, warm, friendly, personal. And you shared your hobbies, too.
Yes, adding 1 or 2 hobbies makes your introduction feel more human, more like a real conversation, not a robot.
Absolutely. And it also helps people connect with you. Like, If you say you love cooking, someone might say, "Oh, me too," and boom, you have a new friend.
Instant connection.
Here's a secret. Choose 2 things to say every time. Your basic info, something personal about you.
Just 2 things. That's enough to make your introduction friendly and natural.
And that, dear listeners, is how you introduce yourself with confidence, even if your hands shake a little.
You've got this. Your English is growing every time you speak, even if it's just a few sentences.
Let's keep going. You're doing amazing.
Okay, let's break this down for our listeners. If you want a natural, friendly introduction in English, you just need a few simple pieces. Nothing complicated. Here they are. This is always your starting point. Just your name. Like, "Hi, I'm Rebecca." Simple.
Please don't say, "My name it is," or "I am name." I hear this sometimes. Keep it natural. I'm James.
This helps people understand your background. Example, "I'm from Canada."
And it's totally okay to say your city or country or both.
You don't have to say this, but it's great when your life is international.
Yes, like, I'm from London, but I live in Paris now. It shows your story, and stories make you interesting.
This part tells people who you are in daily life. Examples, "I'm a nurse." "I'm an English student." "I work in a cafe."
You don't need a long explanation. Just one sentence is perfect.
This is where your introduction becomes human. It tells people who you are, not just facts. Examples, "I love cooking." "I enjoy reading." "I like playing football."
And this part makes people smile. It gives them something to connect with.
Finish with something soft, friendly, natural. Examples, "Nice to meet you." "Happy to be here." "It's great to meet you."
It's the final touch. It makes you sound confident and polite. And you don't need all of these pieces every time. Seriously. Choose what feels comfortable. Some days you'll say 3 things. Other days, 5. Both are fine.
Exactly. The goal is not perfection. The goal is connection. Repeat after us, okay? Let's practice.
My name is, I'm,
I'm from,
I live in,
I work as a, or I'm studying.
I really enjoy,
In my free time, I like to.
nice to meet you.
It's great to be here. Okay, imagine you walk into a new office. New people, new environment. Everyone turns and looks at you.
Yeah, that moment when you're like, oh no, everyone is staring. But don't worry. Here's a simple, confident introduction. Hi, everyone. I'm James. I just joined the company as a marketing assistant.
and I'm really excited to work with all of you.
Perfect. Friendly, polite, confident. You don't need a long speech, just a warm sentence.
And you can add something personal if you want, like, I love teamwork, so feel free to reach out to me anytime.
School introductions can feel scary too, but simple is best. Hello, I'm Rebecca. I'm new here, and I'm excited to learn with all of you. I love languages, so I'm happy to be in this class.
That sounds warm and positive. And if you want to make friends faster, you can add something like, if anyone wants to study together, let me know.
Yes, that works every time.
Okay, picture this. You're sitting in a cafe. Someone sits next to you. You make eye contact, and you both smile awkwardly.
That moment is always cute.
Oh, hey! I don't think we've met. I'm James.
Nice to meet you. I'm Rebecca. Do you come here often?
See? That's a natural start to a conversation. It doesn't feel forced.
And it works anywhere. A cafe, party, event, meetup. Online introductions are super common now. Your camera turns on, your heart says no, but you smile anyway.
Exactly. So, here's a clean example for online meetings.
Hi, I'm Rebecca. I'll be your English partner today. Nice to meet you. I'm looking forward to working together.
Short, warm, confident. And if your microphone lags or your Wi-Fi dies, don't panic. It happens to everyone.
Yes, that's the real online experience.
Now, take a deep breath and repeat your introduction. No stress.
If you feel nervous, don't worry. Everyone does.
That's why we practice.
If you're listening right now, I want you to know you can speak English confidently. You are learning. You are improving.
And your introduction will get better every time you practice it.
So, tell us in the comments. Introduce yourself. We want to meet you.
And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It really helps our channel grow.
Thanks for listening to Ms. English Journey.
See you in the next episode.